Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the question. The number of dandelions in a large park is recorded over the course of 5 months as shown in the table below. So we have a table of data. Okay, let's go with the information here. Which of the following best describes the relationship between time and the number of dandelions during the 5 months? So we have 4 options: increasing linear, decreasing linear, exponential growth, and exponential decay. Okay, when I look at the data on the table from month 1 to month 2, clearly the number of dandelions is getting decreased because the counting goes from 12,500 to 2,500. From the second month to third month, again it decreases because 2,500 to 500. From third month to fourth month and fourth month to fifth month, it keeps decreasing. So for this question, the answer can be either B or D, because only B and D have the decrement concept, that is decreasing linear, exponential decay. So option A, option C says the growth or increasing, so it cannot be. Okay, the only thing is we have to decide whether it's the decrement is linear or exponential. Okay, to find the decrement is linear or exponential, first let me find the decrement from the month 1 to month 2. So in month 1 it's 12,500, month 2 is 2,500, the decrement is 10,000. Okay, from month 2 to month 3, so 2,500 to 500, which is 2,000. So from month 3 to month 4, the decrement is 400. From month 4 to month 5, it's the decrement is 80. Okay, so month by month, the decrement is not a constant. So from the first month to second month, the number of dandelions decreased by 10,000. From the second month to third month, the number of dandelions decreased by 2,000. So the decrement is not constant. So over the 5-month period. So since the decrement is not a constant, so definitely it cannot be decreasing linear. So there is more chance for option D. So because the decrement is not a constant, so we decide it's not decreasing linear, it may be exponential decay. So for that, what I need to do is I have to find the decrement ratio from the first month to second month. Okay, to get the decrement ratio from the first month to second month, I have to take the number of dandelions in the second month. It has to be divided by the number of dandelions in the first month, which is 12,500. So we can cancel this 2 zeros. 25 goes into 25 1 times, 25 goes into 125 5 times. So the ratio of decrement from the first month to second month is 1/5. Okay, now let's find the ratio of decrement from second month to third month. For that, we have to take the number of dandelions in the third month, which is 500, divided by the number of dandelions in the second month, which is 2,500. So 500 goes into 500 1 times, 500 goes into 2,500 5 times. I get the ratio of decrement from the second month to third month is 1/5. Now let's find the ratio of decrement from the third month to fourth month. So for that, let's take the count for the fourth month in numerator and for the third month in denominator. So clearly this is simplified to 1/5. And the decrement ratio from the fourth month to fifth month is going to be 20 over 100, which is simplified to 1 over 5. Okay, the number of dandelions decreasing month by month in the same ratio 1/5. So whenever a quantity is decreasing at the same ratio in equal time periods, so that is exponential decay. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.